teacher. My name is Neiter Steven Camarguariza. I am a fourth semester student of Public Accounting, and today I will exhibit about festivals around the world. What festival in the world would you like to participate? Why? I would like to participate in the Brazil Festival because it is a festival full of magic and joy. I feel that is the perfect place to go dancing and singing. In addition, the costume parades and the competition of samba dance schools make it a tourist attraction. I would also like to go this festival because it is a country with different cultures, so there is a variety of food, and to add the climate of the countries generate the perfect combination between beach, sun and party. How do people decorate their homes in India? How do you decorate your home for Christmas? In India, people put lots of pretty lamps in their homes for the festival of Diwali. They look at the lamps and think about their family and other people in the world. Diwali is usually in October or November. This is a very festival for Hindu people in India and for Hindus around the world. In my house, we decorate the last days of November. We put together the Christmas tree with Santa Claus dolls, reindeer, angels, and other decoration. Then we place the Christmas lights, and finally we put the star to give the magic of Christmas. In my house, it is also important to assemble the manger in representation of the birth of the child Jesus. And finally, we decorate with lights and decoration the other place of the house. What do people wear in the carnival in Rio de Janeiro and the Venice Carnival? At the Rio de Janeiro Carnival, people wear color costumes and clothes for summer and for the beach. In the Carnival of Venice, they wear long dresses and coats because it is a cool season. Thanks for the attention. Goodbye.